It doesn't matter work or work experience if you all are wondering whether should I work or not. And before you come here, if you have researched the professors and found anything interesting, then you should come here and definitely talk to them, because it's
Mhm.
useful to have some experience working in the labs, because some professors are very famous and they have some good work being done under them. So if you are working in the labs and you are doing very well and you are really interested in what they are doing, their particular field, then they might be able to refer you to some research based positions in some companies, not software engineering roles. In masters you need to work under that particular professor.
Mhm.
Then it's quite easy, like you just go and talk to him and start working, and if
Okay.
you're good you can convert. Apartments.com is one. You can join the Facebook group, everything is posted there. Or you can post a question on the WhatsApp or Facebook group. In my opinion, courses and professor matter more than college rankings, which I think is like, I don't know what it is based on exactly.
Okay.
So this year also many of my friends got internship from Facebook, Google too. If your courses and professors are good, you should go for that particular university. And there's nothing like location. There is some location advantage, like local companies hire more from surrounding colleges, but still everywhere you have a fair chance, I think. As I told you, some courses are extremely rigorous, like the 600 level ones. The 500 level ones are relatively easier. Assignments, that depends from course to course, like how many some of them have projects, some of them have exams and assignments. You cannot generalize, like it depends from course to course and which professor is taking that course. Yes, you have around 3 weeks to sit in the lectures and see if you are finding it good and if professor is good and if you want to keep that or take some other course.
And so, like you mentioned, that almost 95% are Indians. How do you
Yeah.
get that global diversity and how do you make global friends out there then?
That's a good question. I think you go and talk to undergraduates. Undergraduates are from various countries, mostly from America, but you'll find more diversity in undergrad class. So if you can find a chance, do go and talk to those people. So classes are just twice a week, 1 hour, 15 minutes lectures. So it's not much. Outside that, you need to devote a lot of time for assignments, projects, exams, whatever you have. Understanding the course material and assignments are quite tough. Like you need to devote a lot of time to understand and answer them. Yes, professors and the TS both have weekly office hours, so you can go anytime and they are willing to help you. There is a master's thesis project. There are two options in master's. Either it's non-thesis or thesis. So if you take
So,
a
can you
thesis,
go there and decide, or you need to decide upfront, or you can then change afterwards if you want to?
you can come here, see and decide by yourself.
Okay.
Like you need to come
Okay.
here and decide. You need to choose your field and your professor and talk to him if he's ready to take you for thesis MS. Then only you can apply for that, I think.
So, thesis would last over a period of 2 semesters then,
Over 2 semesters, last 2 semesters, you'll be doing your thesis. So six
and you will
credits,
get.
3 and 3. It's it's a mix of both. There are theory questions which need research and analysis and more deeper thoughts into what has been taught in the course material, and there will be applied coding questions where you'll implement all the algorithms and whatever you have been taught, so you get more familiarity with that particular thing. If you work under a professor, yes, there are high chances that you can publish in a very good
Okay.
paper. It's not ACAD centric as far as I know, because like people from wide range of CGPAs have got admits. One
Okay.
thing which I found was it needed some good amount of verbal score, like 150
Okay.
5 plus or 160 plus. I don't know. Like verbal
Okay.
score needed to be good. So if you get a pre-placement offer from internship, then definitely you can graduate in three semesters. It's useful. Otherwise, you can wait for 4 semesters and continue your job search.